you're looking for a great engagement gift, you can never go wrong with a bottle of wine. And I got this really cute wine bag sent to me. So let's check it out and we'll put it with the bottle. So it has the little drawstring ribbon that comes with it, which just makes it easy when you need to run out the door with a gift. You don't need to wrap anything, you're done. It says, pairs well with getting engaged, cheers to forever. So it has like a nice, beautiful message, and it's front and back on that. So found this bottle that said moon, which I thought was cute because it kind of reminds me of like a honeymoon. And let's go ahead and put that in. It is a larger bottle, so I wanted to see if it would fit, and it does. It also comes with an optional little tag. It says best wishes. There's a little heart on it, which you can push out, and then this has that nice little twine as well. So we can put that on the bag too. With your wine bottle in there, there's a couple ways to tie this beautiful burlap bag. And I also just want to show you the nice quality of this burlap. It is super nice. So you could just tighten the ribbon and tie right there. You're gonna have a longer bow then, but what they show you to do is tighten it, wrap it around, so I'll flip it to you, and then tie the bow over there. So that kind of brings everything together. And they had a really pretty way of making a bow, but I'm just gonna use my traditional way I tie a bow when I'm doing shoelaces. And that seems to also work as well. And of course you can make it prettier than I did, but that's how you can wrap this so that the ribbon doesn't come down and cover any of the wording. So if you're gonna gift a nice bottle of wine or champagne or even a non-alcoholic beverage, this is the perfect bag to put it in for an engagement gift.